House 4 approached their garage design with a future-focused mindset, crafting a space that's open, adaptable, and full of potential. With roller doors at both ends, the layout provides flexibility, allowing homeowners to shape the space around their lifestyle, from weekend projects to games rooms or a studio. The interior has been lined in natural timber plywood, bringing warmth and functionality to the space. The flecked epoxy resin floor adds polish, while providing a tough, low-maintenance finish and a clean slate ready for whatever comes next. Externally, the garage is clad in the Stratco Hiland Tray profile, a bold architectural choice that creates strong vertical lines across the walls and roof. Finished in COLORBOND Woodland Grey, a timeless and earthy tone, it draws out accents and features from the home's palette, helping the garage blend into its surroundings. The 10-degree skillion roof pitch blends with the home's flat roof, ensuring a cohesive and modern integration. Whilst this is a Class 10 non-habitable structure, it is a space to gather and escape, especially during those cooler months. At Stratco, we understand that a garage is more than a utility. It's an investment in how you live. Whether you want to build it yourself or have it installed by experts, we'll guide you through every detail to make sure your garage enhances your home, your lifestyle, and your future. Engineered for Australian conditions and backed by a 25-year structural warranty, a Stratco shed is custom designed for the way you want to live.